It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prep nails for a fill-in. Okay, so we're gonna take this down and I'm going to show you how I do it and all of that good stuff. All right, so some of you may have seen this set. Did I film this set?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I did this set live, I believe. Yeah, so she is back. So I'm going to go in with this drill bit. This is a ceramic bit, and I have a green line on it, so that means it's on the coarse side. So I'm going to use this to take some of the product down, and then I'm going to switch to a sanding band to help me get the cuticle area and everything together, along with some other drill bits. So you will see me use those in the video. All right, so just stay tuned. Now I'm going from a coarse bit to a medium bit. All right, so I removed the gel polish and a little of the acrylic. Now I'm going to go in with these drill bits here for the prepping. Okay, this is how the nails look. I first went in with these two to take the product down. Then for the cuticle area, I went in with these bits. And a sanding band to make sure that all of the dead skin was removed, and to make sure that the product was flush to the natural nail. Now it is time to fill it in with whatever you want to fill it in with. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments below and let me know the kind of videos y'all want to see. And let me know the bits and the steps that you follow when you do your fill-ins. All right, always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.